Guys, welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean with me, my bedroom, my bathroom. We are officially here in Atlanta and my county, officially a stay-at-home order has been made. So we have to stay indoors unless we are going for medical treatment or to the supermarkets or grocery stores to pick up groceries. Other than that, we are supposed to stay at home. So I'm going to use this opportunity to do some cleaning around the house, some organizing around the house. So I'll get you guys to come along with me. Hopefully this motivates you to do the same thing. I hope everyone out there is being safe, staying at home, and just taking the necessary steps to remain safe, because this thing is spreading and is spreading fast. Okay, guys? So you guys be safe out there and let's get this going, okay? Let's get it. guys the products that I use today to clean my room. It's the Love My Carpet, and you can purchase this at the Dollar Tree for $1. And also the Spray Way. I got this, I believe, from TJ Maxx. Yes, from TJ Maxx. This is about $4 a bottle for this bottle, and it's for mirrors and glass. It's to clean your mirrors and glass. And I'm also using this Lysol spray just to spray everything down. And I also, as you've seen in the video, I put them away. I use the CLOROX wipes to wipe things down. Just trying to take that extra step to make sure that everything is clean and stuff. Okay. And also, guys, while I have you, I went and purchased 2 more of these cubicle boxes, bins, they call them, I believe, storage bins for my cubicles, because I needed some extra space to put items into. So I'm going to be adding these to my cubicles. I got these for $9, I believe, at Walmart. So these are from Walmart, and they're $9.99, I believe they were, or $9.98. And they're beautiful. I love them. I love the pattern on it. It's like a herringbone pattern with sort of a brass handle. So I'm going to be adding these into my cubicles. This makes a great purchase, especially if you have cubicles. You put them in there and you can store stuff away. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing with these. I'm going to place them down here. Not sure if you guys will get a good view of it, but they're going to go down here into this area. All right, guys, this is better. I'll just hold it. With this being different, I thought that they would match, but obviously they don't. I don't know how pleasing to the eye that is. It's not really pleasing to my eye. So most likely, either I'll take them back and see if I can find some more like that in a different Walmart to match. If not, I'll probably wind up changing them all out for the bottom one that I just put in. I'll be doing my saging now that my bedroom and bathroom is clean, to clean the air of any negativity, of any impurities and things, and just welcome nothing but blessings, peace, abundance, positive vibes into my space. Okay, guys, so until next video, I'll see you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button, leave a comment, click the like button, and share. And guys, we are slowly but surely approaching 500 subscribers. Thank you so much for your continued support. I'm gonna tell you one thing, honey. That Lysol is strong, so you don't need to spray but so much of it because it's getting in my throat. Okay, guys. But anyhow, until next time, see you guys, and be safe and be blessed.